Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we are going to see the interesting project called it is how to create simple two-player game using Turtle in Python. TURTLE. Turtle is one of the pre-installed library. As we know already implemented some projects also. It's very helpful to create a shapes, pictures, and etc. So n number of applications can develop with the help of Turtle by default. So this is the one we are going to create today and implement with the help of this turtle concept. How means you can see here. So for this one we have to know the basic thing, that means turtle move means one of the basic fundamental like basic game here. Turtle move. So with the help of turtle move, there will be four things are the forward, backward, and front and back like that. Four are very important. Here the game is played with some rules. That is how means here both players have to move toward the turtle for some unit distance. Then the both players can flip the coin and decide if it means then take your right hand, if not then take left hand, and again repeat the steps 1 and 2 till both turtles lie in the boundary. So this is a simple procedure. Let's move on to the another screen for understanding the concept in Python. Before that, we have now the thing. So with the help of this one, first we have to create a screen object for with grid boundary. Then we can two turtles we have designed. That is one is red line, another is the blue, and then both are have to move the particular distance, that is unit distance. For that one, here we can use a method called turtles underscore object dot forward of 50 method here. Then we can use a random.range of 0, 2 because that is 0 for left and 1 for right. That is a meaning. So left and right is a movement where applause end with the losses of the game also. Let's move on to the Python. Yeah. So this is the one I already executed. And first of all, we have to import the packages like random and turtle. Then we can use the function to check whether the in the screen or not. For this one, we are using the function called is in screen of win comma turtle. In the left, we are going to assign that the end points of the turtle screen by left bound is equal to minus win dot window underscore width by 2. Similarly, right bound. Similarly, top bound. Similarly, bottom bound also. That is height by 2 like that. Then you can get the current position of the turtle with the help of turtle x equal to turtle dot x cor. Similarly, turtle y is equal to turtle y cor. Then we can assign the variable to store whether it is screen or not. For that one, we can write the line called still in equal true. Then condition checking. For condition, we can use the if statement only. Then we can return the result. Then we can call the function to check whether the turtle have different position or not. For this one, we are calling the function called same position of red comma blue. If red dot position is equal to blue dot pass, then return fast, else you can go for another one. Then main function. So very important. The main function we are invoking the turtle dot screen method. Initializing also. Then we are calling red equal to turtle dot turtle off. Then red dot pen color and green. The red because we are using on the red and blue. Then we are writing the pen size. Then we are writing the shape as a turtle. Then we are writing the blue. For blue also we are following the same concept. And make the turtle invisible, you can give blue dot hide turtle off. Then you can call blue dot go to option. Then we can use blue dot show turtle off. Then we display the turtle very slowly. Then we can use the store turtle in the screen or not. That is empty is equal to 2 and the j is equal to. Then loop, you can assign the loop also very simple and easy. Then just now told in the procedure. So flip flop the coin is, but head means one. Head means it go right and tails means go left like that. So for that one, we're writing the code called if coin red is equal to 0, angle right. If not, then else go right is a angle right like that. Then we can write the coding coin blue is equal to random range of 0, 2. Just now told you, and after complete the coding, you can write forward of 50 and the blue dot forward of 50. That is unit distance go particular distance only. And we are writing everything and follow the condition the draw or win. For that one writing if j is equal to true and empty is false and continuing with the red dot right, that's method writing red one and true also writing, else go for blue one like that. And after completing we go for the execution. At last we start with the program called main. So once you call this one, it will execute, or you can implement easily. Let's move on the run. So if you give run anywhere to show the information like this. So again I'm running. Yeah. So this is the output you are going to get. Sorry. So again I'm running. So, yeah. Take some time to show the output. So turtle is a value for children also, because a number of activity you can do with the for turtle concept. So if you know the turtle concept, you can develop anything here, any applications. Yeah, same here. Just showing for the screen. Yeah. Yeah. So it will give decisions. So you can implement the two-player game, very simple and easy. So it's going to on the right left only. After it's going to show the output, simultaneously running the program. So execute the project, you make a result like either blue one or anything. So it's going to complete now based on the coding only. Just few seconds. That's going to end now. So if you want to, can use PyCharm or Jupyter, anything you can use. Across you can complete the task, that means the implementation. That's going to end now. I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. Yeah, let one. So like that we can implement the two-player game very simply. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.